Hey friends, it's your boy Joey. It's cold. It's snowy. It's like I think 8 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll do conversion here somewhere, maybe. But yeah, it's been a blizzard. So we just took this big bad mama jam out doing some donuts. We got a little bit of footage. I don't think the inside footage worked. You can see here where I was smashing through piles of snow. This is about 4 feet up, 3.5 feet, 3 feet, I don't know. And I'll have to post a picture of what happened to the tire. But can we see it? Probably not. There's a bunch of tire plugs in there. I'll post a picture of that too. And people said you can't patch a sidewall on a tire. And what do I say to that? Fuck you, I did it. 8 degrees, it's working. I was doing donuts, bouncing off curbs. So yeah, I'm gonna get this footage edited, put on here, and you can enjoy some of my happy fun time. And yeah, almost Christmas, almost my birthday. Oh, we had the MRI. We'll find out about next week. But I'm getting back inside. It's looking cold out here. Alright, have fun. Peace out.